Hey there, this is Elisa with WTI. Let me show you why this case from Zugu is one of my favorites. Zugu cases for iPads are high quality and they are super durable. I've had some in the past and I had to come back to them to purchase another one for this iPad. My husband loves that this is lap stable, but you can also mount this in the fridge, making it super convenient and functional. You will also see that this black color is beautiful, it's matte, and it's not bulky at all. Something that was very thoughtful is that they have the edges raised so your iPad gets greater protection. We love using this. We feel that our iPad is secure, and we really appreciate that it covers and protects the iPad all the way around. Zugu also provides beautiful packaging. This would make the perfect gift, and they also have a variety of other beautiful colors. Zugu provides quality and style. We wouldn't change this case for anything, but that's just our point of view.